Hello everyone. So the main thing is, if you follow every single process I'll be showing in today's video, I'm sure by the end of this video you'll be getting a 2k Profirm account, which I'll be showing you process on how to go about it. And also in the video I'll be explaining full details about Profirm, because most times I used to see in the community people actually leaving message on how the requirements, on how it goes and stuff like that. I'll be explaining how Profirm works and every single process you need to know. And also you'll be seeing a live trade of me on my Profirm account which I got, and I'll be showing you a live trade which I placed and the profit I made. As usual, if you're just seeing this video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and turn on your notifications so that anytime I drop an update on how to get a free Forex deposit bonus, you would always get notified and you won't miss out any updates. So right here, so if you click on the link which I'll be adding to the comment section, the link will actually take you to my Telegram group where you actually get to see more details about this Profirm account I'm actually going to be talking about. And right there you'll be able to see other details and also signals which you can actually trade on, which will be giving you daily profits anytime you trade with them. So once you click on the link and it brings you right here, it brings you details of this Profirm right here. All you need to first do is to fill in your details into this section. Now you can see right here we have the WhatsApp section and the email section. All you just need to do is to put in the country where you're from, put in your WhatsApp number and click on send code. Now immediately you click on send code, a code will be sent to your WhatsApp number, which you need to just copy and come back here to actually paste it right here, create a password, input your email address, and if you're actually using my link, this referral section will be filled automatically and you can just click on register, which will actually just take you straight to the site. Now if you're using your email address, do the same steps, the same method, put in the country where you're from, put in your email address, click on send code. Now immediately you click on send code, a code will be sent to your email address. I'll be showing you how it looks like. See right here, a code will send to my email address and this is how it looks like. And you just need to copy the code, take it back to the site and paste it right there. And immediately you paste the code, you should have details like this right here. So after filling these details, put in your password, your mobile phone number, and like I said, if you're using my referral, you'll be having this filled automatically, and you click on register. So immediately you click on register, you should be brought into the site having details like this. So let me give you a full explanation about a Profirm account and how it works, because most times I used to see in my Telegram channel, I used to see people leave comments about requiring for the terms and conditions and how the Profirm works. So let me give you a full explanation. So once you select the two-step account right here, so all you need to do is to make sure you select an account. So once you have your account ready and you're ready to trade, let me show you the steps. Now you see step 1 which says challenge. Now the step 1 is actually the challenge, while the step 2 is the evaluation, and the step 3 is for you to just start trading and making profits. Now in the step 3 I'll be showing you full details, but let me first start with the step 1 right here. Now see the step 1 says fee, it shows fee, and it says profit target. Now which means they'll be giving you a balance to trade with. Now right there you see we have a fee to actually get the balance. Now you see the profit target says $200, which means with the balance which is given to you, you need to make $200 profit with it. Now, and during that process you must not make up to $100 loss in a day, and in total you must not make up to $200 loss in, which means if you actually make $100 loss in a day, you need to make sure you don't make another $100 loss, or else the account will be taken down. Now you can see minimum trading days is just 4 days. Now see, since we have that details right there, and immediately you make $200 profit, you'll be able to come to this next second step that says evaluation. Now since once you're in this second step, it also has a requirement which is profit target is $100 and maximum daily loss is also $100, which means from the account given to you, you must not make up to $100 loss, and it has in a day, and also the second day you must not make up to $100 loss, which will make it a total of $200 losses which you actually made. Now since you actually made that requirement, if you meet with that requirement and you also have a minimum trading days of just 4 days, and once you meet with that requirement, you'll be taken to this next step that says funded account, which means you're actually now given a live account to trade with. Now each profit you make with this account right here, see the maximum daily loss is $100, and you see right here the maximum total loss is $200. The same requirement for the relation account and the this challenge account. So once you meet this requirement right here, this third account that says funded account, every profit you make, you can make withdrawal weekly. You can see there's bi-weekly right there, which is 80% of the profit you make. You'll be able to withdraw 80% of the profit you make every week. Every single week you'll be able to withdraw 80%. So if you actually made $500 in a week, you'll be able to withdraw 80% of $500 every single week, which you actually trade with this account. So the next process you need to actually go to, just click on buy challenge. If you click on buy challenge, this will actually take you to where you have details like this. Now see right here that says trading account currency, that says USD, and the challenge type says 2 steps. Now account type says V basics, and you can see account balance that says $2,000 right here. Now you can see payment method that says USDT, and you can actually use any of this option, FPX or PayPal or your Visa virtual card. Now once you have these details right here and you actually fill in the details, you just need to scroll up a little bit, and after that you'll see for this section that says platform, which is already MT5 already, click on the agreement. The next thing you need to do is to click on confirm and payment, confirm and proceed to payment. Now see right here, I just click on confirm and proceed to payment, and I was just generated a link for me which I need to take to my crypto wallet to make deposit into. And if you're actually scanning this QR code, you can make payments through scanning this QR code, and also just make sure you make payments into the account. And you see right here, the amount you need to make is 9.99 USDT. Now once you make the payment, you just come back to the section right there, and if you click on this section that says account, now you can see right here this icon that shows wallet, you should have details like this. Now once you click on credentials, this right here, this screen on the screen, credentials, it will show you login details of your MT5, which you actually take to your MT5. Now I'll be showing you how to I'll be logging this to my MT5, and I'll be showing you a live trade which I actually traded. Now see right here, I took this login details straight to my MT5 like this. Now the name of the server is Vipson Limited. You can see it right there on the screen, and you put in the login details which was shown in the credentials in the funded site. So put it right here and click on login once you put in your login details. Now this is my account right here, and I'll be showing you a live trade which I actually just played, based on my analysis yesterday for XAUSD. Now I'm actually going to be buying gold right now. So you can see right here details of how it goes, and all you need to do is you just right here place your trade, and I'll be placing mine right now. So right here I just clicked on buy. I placed an order on buy, and you can see my trades actually running. Now see right here, these are the trades, and it's still in profit. They're actually still running in profit, and every single details you need to know. Now later, after watching over my trades, and you can see details, it's running in profit, and after some while I think I had enough profit, and at the same time I scalped. I closed some to actually secure a little bit of profit. Now you can see my details right there and see the trade still running. Now this right here is showing on the screen, and you can see it's still running in profit. And I also drop a signal in the community for those who haven't joined the Telegram group. You can actually click on the link in the comment section that will take you straight to the Telegram group. Now once you have that done and you want to see your progress in the site after passing each challenge, each step, now you just come back to this section, this account section, that's this icon that shows wallet for the account. Now if you click on details beside credentials, if you click on details, you should have details of every single steps, every single trace you've actually taken, and you'll be seeing full details once you actually pass a steps, or once you pass the challenge section, the challenge steps. You'll be seeing details about it, or about every trade you take, about when you've passed the challenge, every step like that. So right here you can see right here the statistics and also the daily summary of my trades, and right there I just need to pass each trace, and then the next steps will be unlocked. So once you pass every single steps, you'll be getting the funded account, which you can actually just trade with on this funded site. Now if you actually miss any steps and you don't understand, just leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll be gladly ready to actually give you a reply and give you a next solution to any process you don't understand. Leave a comment in the comment section, subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and turn on your notifications so that you won't miss out on updates like this. Have a nice day, guys.